Hi everybody, my name is Christopher. I'm a sales representative here at Cybernet Manufacturing. I'm happy to show you our XB monitor. This particular XB monitor comes with 3 hot swappable batteries, and I'm going to go over the entire monitor and how it integrates into your healthcare operations today. Our XB monitors come in sizes 19, 20, 22, and 24 inch. Most popular sizes that we see today are 22 and 24 inch. The 22 and 24 inch monitors come with 3 hot swappable batteries, and our 19 and 20 inch size monitors come with 2 hot swappable batteries. All these monitors offer runtimes anywhere from 16 to 21 hours depending on how they're being used. So the XB monitor has a DC out option, which can power up your peripherals, small form factor PCs. As you see here, here's a Zebra printer that this XB monitor is powering up, as well as a small form factor PC. Regarding the customizations that are available for the XB monitors, such as anti-glare, privacy filters, expanding the ports, we do have the capability of doing that. We can also provide the monitors to you with or without touch. So one of the many advantages of having an XB monitor on your cart is we're taking the weight away from the cart itself. So no more heavy lithium battery at the bottom of the cart. All the batteries are here at the top. What does that mean for you? That means less fatigue on the clinicians themselves, making the cart much lighter. In some cases, anywhere between 50 and 75 pounds lighter than a normal powered cart, all the while giving you 16 to 21 hours of runtime. The 3 hot swappable batteries for the 22 and 24 inch are right here at the top. The nice feature that we offer here with the battery icons is it tells you when the batteries are going to be draining. Therefore, you can switch out the batteries on the fly, it's a hot swap battery, rather than plugging your cart back into the wall and charging the heavy lithium battery at the bottom of the cart. This will give you 24/7 runtime with this particular cart. Cybernet can also help you find a cart that will work well with any one of our XB monitors, or we can work with you to retrofit the carts that you currently have to work with our XB monitors. In a lot of cases, a lot of the carts that are available out there, they have a lifespan of 5 to 10 years plus, depending on, again, on how they're used. And of course, all of our XB monitors are medical grade, therefore they carry the 60601 certification with it, and they do come with a 3-year standard warranty out of the box. You can upgrade these to 4 or 5-year warranty as well. I want to thank everybody for your time for watching this video. Please give us a call if you have any questions about our XB monitors or any one of our many medical grade devices. Thank you for your time.